Do you ever meet a person with a heart murmur? Do you ever meet someone like that walking around out there? So I have a heart murmur. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I don't think it's not like a disability or anything. Like, you can lead a pretty normal life if you have a murmur. You can play tennis or shoot baskets or pretty much anything you want to do. You can do it. So don't worry about me. Don't stay up at night thinking, oh, I hope he's okay. You don't have to do that. I'm okay. And actually, it's kind of neato, really, because if you put your ear on my chest, okay, you can hear the murmur. Can you imagine that? You can hear it, and it sounds like this. It sounds like murmur,